In this video, we're going to be decorating my fireplace. So if you want to see how it turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, friends. This is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, making decorating and home organization a bit easier on a budget. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're part of the creative family, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now let's jump into this video. Now today I am hosting a fireplace challenge. So what I'm going to be doing is taking you through the steps as I decorate my mantle. So I hope you enjoy it. Okay, I'm doing a little different this year. I am using my flock garland that I bought last year, but I'm going to change it up a bit this year.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days. Wonder cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belts. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I'll pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arms. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present. Come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door. It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
Now I like this block garland, but the only problem with it is it makes a mess when you're trying to straighten it out. That's the only thing I don't like about it. But it does make everything look so pretty when you get it all straightened out though. here is everything lit up. I just want you to see it with the lights on. I think it came out kind of cute. So now I'm going to cut the main lights on. Okay, here it is, the finished product. Now I like these candles because I can change their color. So the colors are red now. I'll put it on yellow. So all of them are on yellow now. That's why I like these. Now, get up close. Follow me. You've seen these 3 mirror light lanterns. I ordered them off of Walmart.com. And the LED candles that are inside, those were a gift from my niece. She had them and she thought I would love to use them, and she brought them over to me. And then I have the silver reindeers on each side of the larger gnome. Those were purchased last year from the 99 cents only store. The large gnome was from General Dollar. The block garland that came from Walmart online. And the little gnomes that are crawling down the garland, those were ordered off of Amazon. Now, the white candlesticks, I thrifted those. The globes are 9-inch globes from the Dollar Tree, and in them I put some, I placed some red ornaments. Those came from the Dollar Tree as well a couple of years back. And the ribbon around them is the gnome garland that I ordered off of Etsy. Now back up top, the 4 red candle holders up there, those were thrifted years ago. And then I have the beaded icicle garland that came from Walmart.com the year before last. I ordered it. And as you saw, I added a few more extra lights over here. And those lights came from Family Dollar a few years back. So this is my gnome themed fireplace. I really like the way they climbed down the garland. Had to be creative with that, as you saw. And then the bottom, I made it just simple with the lantern and the candle holders. I wanted it to be simple, but I didn't want it to be too overdressed with the gnomes because I'm doing a gnome theme throughout this year. But I think overall it turned out really, really cute. So let me know what you think of my gnome themed fireplace decor down below. I would love to read your comments because I've been planning this gnome fireplace since last year. So please let me know down below. I'm really excited about this and I really want to see the other participants. So please remember to look at the link down below to see the other participants on the playlist for this fireplace decor challenge. I'm really happy this year with this fireplace. I think it looks really cute. And of course, my husband loves the color red because he is a Kappa. So that topped on both ends of the scale. But I'm really loving this fireplace. I want to thank everyone, all of my creative family, for supporting me all this time. You helped me reach one of my goals, was to reach 3,000 members, and I'm really happy about that. And my next goal for next year in April, I would like to have my next goal, which is 5,000 family members. So I'm hoping by the end of the year of next year that I will reach my next goal, which would be 10 to 15,000 creative members. So I'm very excited. I'm ready to look at all the other participants' videos, because everyone always does so creative and their videos always are so beautiful. Again, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting me through my ups and my downs and trying to figure out where Stephanie fits in on this YouTube family. So again, thank you all, and beauty blessed. If you want to keep watching more, check out these videos I have listed here in the end screen. And you be blessed.